I'm the only one with
Big
normal
wait.
brain, Brett.
Reset. Huh? Wait. How?
Oh no, I actually said that.
Jump on the lasers.
Huh? Where?
Who? Ah! Who?
Yeah.
Ah! Jump on the laser.
Yeah.
Ah! Oh, I almost died. That was so fast. Ah! I almost died. I won! Let's go, bro. The person that clicked the button the most wins. I could have used auto clicker for this.
I'm using it, bro. I'm using it.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah. Nah, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay.
Veronica won.
Okay, it doesn't work.
Yeah.
No. I'm getting the hell out of here, boy. I'm getting the hell out of here.
I'm gonna. No, what are you doing?
I'm hiding.
Wait, did I win?
I don't know. Oh, you and me, bro. Oh, you and me.
It's you. Oh, thank you. Oh no, just as great. This is great.
No.
You killed yourself.
Wait, who's the other one?
Whoa! I died.
I'm going falling off. Okay, I'll make it fall off.
Oh, bro died.
It's called a kamikaze.
What?
It's called a kamikaze.
Should be. Ah. Okay, dude, no more playing around.
Well, you have to play around. This is part of a game. You have to play around.
No, I mean like I'll try not to kill myself anymore. Like fall on the server like that. Three players won. Okay. Reach to the other side. Wait, I always know this challenge. Every time I'm playing this game, this always show up. Hey!
Mama? Yeah. Oh no!
Hey! Thank God. I am in second place.
And also you all get no.
What? What's wrong with?
With who?
What's wrong with you, bro?
Nothing.
Watch out for your snowballs.
Yes. Oh shit, I fell off the map. No! I fell off the map.
Oh! It's so big.
Oh yeah. Oh! Oh my god.
Pizza. I love pizza. Yo,
Oh
yo, yo.
yeah, that. Oh, there's the snowball. Whoa, I found a wall.
Hopefully, win this challenge.
You won. Oh. Don't have to win the
Jump on the
escape.
locks to reach the end. Oh, that's what they meant. Okay. Hoo! Hoo! Come on, come on! Oh.
Go fast now.
Hoo!
First place.
Second place!
Wait, this one won? Never mind.
Ah!
Where are you? I can't find you.
Over here, bro.
Oh, there you are.
You can't shoot me from here.
What the hell are you, bro?
You can't find me. You're flying yourself up. You can never shoot me.
Oh, now I know how to get up here. Now I know.
Watch out! Wait, wait, wait!
Oh,
Ah!
what the hell? Oh, wait for the button.
Okay, okay. Come on, come on. Watch out! Clean girl has a bomb. Wait, you died?
I locked myself up. It's for a sacrifice.
We're in space, okay? What should we do?
Wait.
Whee!
Oh, then I'm about to go to the lobby. I don't even care about this challenge. Let's just go up to a tree.
Find these eggs. I don't know, bro. I don't follow it. Oh, I think I found one. Hey! Pick up. Oh, I got it. I got it. Too late.
I'll be agent soon. For an egg.
Wait, Giulio won with 11 eggs found. This is so hard. I don't like this challenge. Avoid the boulders.
Oh, easy! I'll just throw you. Oh.
Oh, prove it, mate. Oh no! Oh no! Oh!
Come on, have a Pepsi.
Hey! What's wrong with you,
That's what I
bro?
mean, bro.
For sacrifice, huh?
Yeah. I sacrificed myself.
Press the button. Run!
Oh, it's so satisfying.
Flash be like.
So satisfying.
Yeah, right? So ASMR. Wait, I have 484 coins.
Huh?
484 coins.
So has 10,273 coins. Woo, rich!
Reach to the top, okay?
Woo! Woo!
Ow!
What? Ah, damn, bro! Get the wall, get the wall, get the wall! Wait, that actually worked, that actually worked. Wait, the wall didn't work!
I almost made it. Surviving the falling pads.
Whoa!
Bro, stop. What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Ow! You killed yourself.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you, bro? This guy here looks so blue. Oh, let's see if I can buy some stuff.
Yeah, you can.
Let's buy some weapons for, you know, to shoot other players. I need lots of coins for that.
Can I buy the trumpet?
Trumpet, if you want. Okay. Okay, we're back. Higher walk speed. Okay. Okay. Delivered 89. Oh, I found it first. I won.
Where's 37?
I'm in first place, bro.
Where's 37? That is! Ow! Hey, kick it out!
Whoa.
Shut up!
Reach to the end, okay? That doesn't seem too bad, right? What? Huh? Wait for me, bro. Oh! I won! Wait, let's try climb here. Bro, I can't climb. Yay! Who died? Get ready.
Oh no!
Boy!
No. Oh, RPG!
I want to set some nuclears on you.
RPG!
World War II be like.
I saw.
Wait, I lost arms. I lost my arm and leg.
How are you still walking?
I don't know. Ow!
No,
Wait, the boat. This is like World War II.
It's still doing a battle, really? You cheated! Let's join the new server.
Wait, what?
Because I saw cheated.
We'll join a new server?
Yeah.
Like we'll rejoin?
Yeah, and you'll join me.
Oh wait, I'll join you. Wait. I'll join you.
Let's see what
Just wait.
story started.
Okay, bro, I'm coming.
Does anyone have Among Us?
Huh? No, I don't have a. Wait, what?
No, it's normal.
Oh yeah, it's normal. That happens every time.
There you go.
Okay, now it's better. I have a gauntlet.
Save! And you lost me!
I have Thanos' gauntlet. Ow! God, die! Get out of here. Get out of here! Ow!
You let me.
Ow!
You died.
You died. Ow!
Oh, this thing ready. Woo! Oh.
Come on. Come on, die! Ow! Okay. Cause you're red one.
Oh my God.
Come on.
There's only flying bricks, bro.
Get ready. Oh, World War II. Here's World War II.
Ah!
What?
Ah!
I died.
Ah! Mama!
Novel, I saw you from there.
Ah!
Oh no. It's you versus this girl. Oh, wait! Oh my gosh!
Ah!
What?
Vamos!
Vamos!
Ah! Let's go!
Hey! Let's go, my friend! Oh, I see an explosion.
Yeah, that's me.
Go off and avoid obstacles.
Oh,
No,
sure!
whatever you do,
Sure.
don't kill us, don't shoot us, okay? I'm serious.
Lock and loaded.
Hey!
He survived!
What's wrong with you, bro?
Ow!
Hey, this guy looks like me. No, you'll not forget it. Reach to the end, okay?
Where's the end?
I have a perfect method to complete this.
Cheating.
Whoop. I have a perfect method.
Right?
Look. It's
I did it, first try.
Okay. Look, I have a perfect method to complete this.
Ah, very good method.
See? This is the perfect method. Hey, don't shoot us. Don't shoot us. I swear. What?
Wow.
At least I'm on the finish line.
Wait, you are? You're not the one door. Oh, hey,
That's
I hate
the
this one.
lasers. What?
Did I do?
How?
I think my character's too low.
I like the song. This guy looks like my avatar.
Huh?
This guy looks just like me.
But tunnel vision.
Let me do an emote. Oh, never mind. Find the most amount of fireworks. Like, what do you mean? Oh yeah, we find the rockets. Why can't climb up?
Huh?
Why can't climb? Oh, never mind.
You have to jump to get around. What do you do?
Woo.
I found one.
Oh, I found it. No, no, no. This guy took it. Here, trumpet. What? Did I just took myself a screenshot?
Yeah.
Alright. No, I can't find any.
I found one.
Bad bad girl one. Whoa, no, 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 no.
I did. I'm him. Ah!
Whoa.
Ah!
Hey, look, guys, I'm camouflaged.
Ah! I see someone. I see someone. Go, no. Go, 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 go. I save you. No. Ah!
Don't fall, you're winning.
I'm not. I died.
Oh, you died? Okay.
I fell the map.
Ew, wait, why ew?
I fell the map, bro.
Who should... Papa GT61 is the chosen one.
What the name is that, bro?
Oh, here's the one where... Here's the one what happened when I start the video.
Yeah. I still recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Good.
Red card. Hey!
The hell, bro? Who's that?
You made us finish the challenge easily.
Ah!
What?
Ah! Mama! So I just about everyone now.
No one even win.
What? Yeah, save another one.
No one wins.
Come on! I want to go already. I pressed the button.
Knowledge, okay?
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
And my hat is inside my head.
Knowledge.
Shut up.
Knowledge.
Shut up. I'm sore.
Oh
Oh, there we go.
no. Hey, kill someone else.
I'm gonna play Pepsi Man.
Must be
Dun
out.
dun 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 dun.
Shut up.
Dun dun.
This guy looks so black.
What the hell, bro?
I'm gonna say black guy.
What? Ah! I'm the last one.
Think fast. What do you mean? We all died.
Think fast.
No.
Go to the button. Knowledge.
Yes, I know the word.
How we will copy the painting is so cursed.
No, nobody.
Okay. Avoid getting frozen. Okay, yes, sir.
Why you sound like that?
It's just like red light, green light.
Red light, green light, red light, green light. No, this song is so good.
Yeah, and I won! Ha, 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 ha. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Oh, no.
Give me my coins.
I'm inside him, bro. Look, I summon Brett.
Okay. Okay, next challenge, next challenge, next challenge.
Right, I want to reset that my Japan is slow. Ah, shit.
Bro, will you stop? Oh!
No, 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 no!
Oh!
I saved you, bro!
You sacrificed yourself.
Go, go, go!
Oh no, 2 blocks left. Oh, oh no.
No, 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 you!
Get to the top. You got it, sir. Whoop. This thing is so hard to control.
Oh, what's it called? I put first person.
Halloween song. This thing is so hard to control. Get out of here. Bro! Ah! To the top, 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 top. Using admin commands.
Huh?
Okay, never mind.
Oh, they said.
Avoid falling off. Okay.
Avoid the part end.
Oh!
Hey, there goes someone.
No, you didn't. Or I
What
think
did,
so.
bro? What I did? Ah!
You killed yourself.
My face through.
Hey, look. We won. Shut up, little bro. What you say? No!
Huh? How, bro?
How? Anyway, let's continue.
Do my work. Saving.
Get ready.
Oh, that was lucky. Oh, that was lucky, right?
Yeah.
Loki good. Why is everyone in YouTube keep on saying Loki?
I don't know. Maybe not the lucky.
Where are you, Nuffle?
Huh?
Where are you, Nuffle?
I thought something. Injected. I'm injected out.
Where are you?
This one thing. Where's fucking F?
Okay. Next round.
Trick shot.
Boxing. Boxing. Ah.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, next. Find the button.
Find your button.
No.
Hey, bro, you're following me.
Found it!
You found the button. Nice.
No, I hate this one, bro. I hate this one.
Red.
Yeah, this is so hard.
Did it.
I'm always purple.
Should we react to your videos?
Huh?
To your reaction videos? Should we react to it?
If you want. Alright, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, that's all.